It's nighttime. The kitchen's a bit of a mess. Dishwasher's running. I want to show you guys 5 minutes honey butter tteokbokki because I'm craving a little bit of sweet snack. Let me show you. Obviously some tteokbokki, butter, honey, and also salt. Here, this amount, honey. My favorite one. It tastes really good. I don't know why. What's the difference? But it does taste so much better than everything else I've ever tried. This much. I don't have like a written recipe or anything because I don't measure when I make this. Some butter, my favorite butter. Just like a few blocks. Maybe like around 3 tablespoons roughly. It's gonna look like this. And last but not least, some salt. That amount. You need salt. It's gonna taste different without it. Butter is unsalted. Okay, and then microwave covered for 3 minutes. Let me tell you how amazing this is. Oh my god. You have to try this. It's too easy.